All right, this video is going to cover the inner tunic. So to review on the eye, we have the outer tunic, which is also called the fibrous tunic, the middle tunic, which is called the vascular tunic, and now this inner tunic, which is called the neural tunic. It is called the neural tunic because it's going to have neurons, which we refer to as rods and cones, which are going to help us see color vision and outlines of vision. So remember, cones are for color, and rods, I guess rods are more for like outlines. All your rods and cones are found in this neural layer called the retina. Now, at the back of your retina where the optic nerve meets, you have a lot of blood vessels coming in. So right here, we do call this the optic disc. Now, an important thing about the optic disc is it does lack rods and cones. That's why it's not maroon. The optic disc lacks rods and cones, so we call this our anatomical blind spot. Now, on the retina, we have this little circle that has an indentation, which we call the macula lutea. Macula means spot, and it should be yellow. And in the center of it, it makes a pit, and that's called the fovea centralis. So you have a circle, the macula lutea with the fovea centralis. Now your fovea centralis is the area where you have the most rods and cones. So this is the area of sharpest vision, is right there in that fovea centralis. So you have your retina, which has rods and cones. You have your optic disc, which has no rods and cones. And then you have the macula lutea with the fovea centralis that has the most rods and cones. So we talk about those as being your anatomical blind spot and your area of sharpest vision. Now, as we look at these on the big eye model, same things apply, but we don't have an optic nerve. So we have the retina, which is orange, which has rods and cones. This right here, number 18, is a yellow spot. So that technically is the macula lutea. In the center of the macula lutea, like right where the 8 is where you would have the fovea centralis, which has the most rods and cones. So that would be the area of sharpest vision.